Okay. So first thing is a very quick review of the ones that we've already covered. First time through, can y'all give me only the English? Only the English. We started these 2 days ago, and then yesterday we added just a few more, and today we're going to add just a few more to this. Okay, so English only, please.
My name is.
My name is. Mi nombre es. My name is. Me llamo. And y'all can see these on the paper there. Okay. They're not in order, but you can see them on there. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. See ya. Nos vemos. Good morning or hello. Buenos dias.
Good night.
Good evening. It does mean good night. I don't know if I mentioned that in here, but it can be a goodbye, also meaning like, okay, good night. Okay. Right now we're just using it as a hello, as a good evening. Okay, but yes, it also does mean good night. Okay, so buenas noches. What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Likewise, same here. So if somebody says to you, hey, it's nice to meet you, then this is what you say back. Same here. Igualmente. Good afternoon. Like right now, 2:55. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Hi. Hola. It's nice to meet you. So the story on this, y'all, the reason you see two is that if you are a guy and you say it's nice to meet you this way, use the one with the O. And as a girl, if you're going to use this way of saying it's nice to meet you, you would use the one with the A. And that is going to depend on you, not the person you're talking to. Encantado or encantada. All right, and the last one, and you, y tú. So if I said, hi, my name is Sandra. How about you? What's your name? Y tú would be how about you? Okay, so let's go through and y'all say them now in Spanish, and I'll repeat them after you. You just heard me say them again to refresh your memory, and now I'd like for y'all to say them first in Spanish. Mucho gusto.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Igualmente. Buenas tardes. ¿Y tú? Mi nombre es.
Hola.
Hola.
Encantada.
Encantada.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches.
¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Cómo te llamas? Nos vemos. Me llamo. All right, so those are the ones we've already done now for 2 days. And yesterday, at the tail end of the period, I added these 6. Can y'all take out your notes and mark them? Because I don't think we did yesterday. Can y'all pull out your notes and mark these? Gracias. Okay, go ahead and put a dot next to the 6 that I added like the last 2.5 minutes yesterday. Okay, at the tail end of the period, I just kind of briefly went over these. All right, here's your first one.
Gracias.
Thank you, gracias. Okay, go ahead and put a dot. Mark that one. And I want to remind y'all that there is a diphthong in this one, which means it's a 2-syllable word, not a 3. Gracias. It is not gracias. It is not that, okay, because that's a diphthong. C-I-A-S is a diphthong. Gracias. Okay, repitan. Gracias.
Gracias.
Okay.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. See you later. Go ahead and dot that one. Okay, so again, there's a diphthong here. This is not a 3-syllable word. This is not luego. Okay, it is luego. That's it. 2 syllables. Let's try it again. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Okay. And this one's easy. Por favor, please. Por favor. If you can roll, if there's a single R at the end of a word, if you can roll it, it would be good. If you can't roll your R's yet, don't worry about it. Okay, but if you can. Okay, let's try it. Favor. Favor. Try to roll. Favor. Por favor. Well, that one you may or may not on that one. Okay? Make it only 2 syllables. Please don't make it a 3-syllable word. It is not adios. Okay? It's not adios. It is 2 syllables. Adios. Yes, adios. Not adios. Okay? Alright, so let's try one last time. Adios. Okay?
Hasta luego.
See you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. It's on your paper. Oh, I forgot por favor, didn't I? Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a better copy and I'll have it on there. I'm gonna redo and I'm gonna put the diphthongs on the back and it'll be a better copy, okay? Alright, so, see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana, okay? De nada. You're welcome. It was nothing. Think nothing of it. Nada really does mean nothing. So if you think of it like, think nothing of it, or it was nothing. Please, don't keep thanking me. It's fine. Okay. So let's try it again. De nada. Okay. So we added those 6 yesterday. Now I'm going to add 5 more. You ready? Here's the first one to add.
¿Cómo estás?
Yeah. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Right? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Okay, let's try it. ¿Cómo estás? Okay. Now, let's say what I have here in my hand is 4 different answers to how are you, and I'm going to start with the best one and go to the worst one. Okay? So here's the first one, the best one.
Muy bien.
Muy bien. Last period, I got my math test back, and I got 100A on it. And yesterday, I got a check in the mail from Grandma, and it was a check, my birthday check for $100. She gave me $100 for my birthday. So how am I? I'm doing really well. Okay, because I got $100 burning a hole in my pocket, and I got 100A on my test last period. Okay, let's try it. Muy bien. Okay, how are you? Very well. All right, next one. Bien. I'm good. I'm good. I'm fine. Okay. I got a very high B on my math test, and my grandmother sent me a birthday check of $15. So I'm doing well today. Maybe not this well, but doing well. Okay, let's try. Bien. How do you say that in English when somebody says, how you doing? Do y'all say good or fine?
It's okay.
Okay, yeah, none of us really say well. We don't really use well, but most of us say, I'm good, I'm doing well, I'm doing fine. Usually we say fine. Okay. All right, next one. No check, no A or a B on that math test. And this morning when I woke up, my allergies were just a little bit bothering me. So how am I doing today? I'm just so-so. Yeah, regular. Okay, I'm okay. I'm so-so. Okay? That is. There it is. Okay, let's try. Remember, it's not you, like in English. It's not regu. It's gu. Regular. Regular. I'm okay. I'm so-so. Okay? All right.
On the interruption, I need to see the following students in the back office. Matthew Yates, Garrett Miller, Eliah Freeman, Andromeda Reeves, Jenna Dolan, Bryce Goodwin, Mackenzie Lawrence, Haley Hebrock, and Lexi Bridges.
Whoops. Okay, so then I'm making this up. This didn't really happen. You ready? So you say, how are you doing today, Miss McClanahan? I say, well, let me tell you. Last night when that storm came up, I just decided just to go step out the back door and just look at the rain. You know, it was really bad, right? Okay, well, when I opened the back door just to look, my female cat that doesn't have claws because she was declawed, she decided that would be a great time to step outside herself. And she ran through my legs and went out the back door. So she has no claws, so she can't survive. So I ran out to try to get her, and I couldn't catch her. And she ran from me, and it took me 3 hours to find her. I was in the rain out there, and for 3 hours looking for her, and finally I found her under a bush, scared to death, and at 4 o'clock in the morning I came back in the house, and I haven't had any sleep. So how am I doing? Not very well, okay? No muy bien. It was a rough night, okay? So there's your last one. No muy bien. I've had no sleep, and I was wet all night, and I was scared, and she was scared, and I'm very stressed right now. Okay, you got it? No muy bien. Yes. Yes, you can say not well. No bien. Okay. No bien. Okay, let's try those now. No muy bien. Regular. Bien.
Just a reminder, when the bell rings, we'll all report back to regular time. When the bell
Muy
rings,
bien.
make sure you report back to your regular
Okay.
time.
All right.